In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost Shopify sales. Starting with the basics, the first step in boosting your sales is to ensure you have access to your Shopify account. Begin by navigating to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. It's this simple access point that sets the stage for all the improvements and optimizations you'll be making to your storefront. After successfully logging in with your email address and password, you'll find yourself at the dashboard of your Shopify store, a central hub where all the magic happens. This is where you can get a bird's eye view of your store's performance and make necessary adjustments. One of the first adjustments you'll want to make involves the appearance of your store. Shopify offers a customize option for your store's theme, accessible directly from the dashboard. Customizing your store's design is not just about aesthetics, but also about creating a user-friendly experience for your customers. A well-designed store can significantly improve navigation and ultimately lead to increased sales. Next, let's delve into optimizing your Shopify store. Optimization could mean a lot of things, but we're focusing on making your store load faster, ensuring it's mobile friendly, and organizing content for better user engagement. A quick loading, mobile optimized site can vastly improve your visitors' shopping experience, reducing bounce rates and leading to more conversions. Now onto the products themselves. Navigate to the products section from the dashboard. This is where your offerings live. You'll want to click on Add Product to start listing items if you haven't done so already. But here's where it gets crucial: creating compelling product pages. Each product page should provide detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and customer reviews if available. It's your chance to convince a visitor why they should buy your product, so make it count. But having an incredible online store and great products is only part of the equation. You need to drive traffic to your store, and one effective way to do so is through social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with your target audience, share content that adds value, and direct them to your Shopify store. Engaging with your customers on social media not only drives traffic, but also builds a community around your brand. I know it may sound like there's a lot to do, but don't worry. The beauty of Shopify is its user-friendly interface, making these steps straightforward and manageable. It's all about taking one step at a time, from logging into your account, customizing your store's appearance, optimizing for performance, detailing your product pages, and engaging in social media marketing. And while these steps are designed to boost your sales, remember, the key to success is consistency. Regularly updating your product offerings, posting on social media, and optimizing your store will keep your brand fresh and enticing to customers. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: always keep an eye on your analytics. Shopify provides valuable insights into your store's performance, which can help you make informed decisions on what's working and what needs tweaking. In conclusion, boosting your Shopify sales is an ongoing process that involves enhancing your store's functionalities, creating compelling product pages, and engaging with your audience on social media. By following these steps methodically, you're setting up your Shopify store for success. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to boost your Shopify sales. Remember, success in e-commerce comes down to the details and persistently striving to provide a better shopping experience for your customers. Here's to skyrocketing those sales.